Dito kami guys sa altitude. Sobrang saya ni Ryan at last. Lagi kasi namin siyang sinasabihan na dalhin dito. Per hour? Go inside now.
First,
orientation.
On your side, butt, or lying on your back.
Be careful, huh?
You may sustain serious injuries. Should you get tired?
Guys, we are at altitude right now. And then we just entered. This is altitude. Ate Ishi and Tita Kay is somewhere there. Now, oh my god, I'm so excited.
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa labas kasi we decided na ilagay na yung biryani available here na banner sa harap ng aming gate. Nagpaalam na ako guys and sabi nila okay lang naman. Maraming nagtitinda-tinda ng mga iba't ibang pagkain din dito guys. So sabi nila walang problema. Pwede kayong maglagay ng banner sa harap ng inyong gate. Where are we gonna put that, Ram?
There in the center.
Okay.
How about the banner? We need, the banner.
Where's the banner?
Inside the corner.
Can you take na? Show the guys our banner. Doon sa bahay nila mama naglagay na din kami sa harap ng gate. Okay, give to daddy.
Okay.
Looks nice.
Like this, okay?
Yeah. It's at the center. So at least our neighbors can see. Done?
Done.
Meron din kaming FB page at saka FB group guys sa mga residente dito. So makikita nila na may available na biryani sa aming bahay. Nakabili na pala si Daddy Ram nito guys sa NCC. Seeds ng patola, eggplant, and tomato. What's your next step, Daddy?
We need to soak it for a while and plant it in maybe small cups like that up to 3 days until the sprouts come out. For the fermentation process. Then we will plant on the garden.
Okay.
So this is for patola. That's why we name it, because we will lose all the seeds. Otherwise, all the seeds, like sometimes you confuse. You don't know which plant is which later. This is for patola.
not everything?
Patola won't put everything because usually with the patola 1-2 comes up is more than enough.
Okay.
Eggplant I will put everything. You need also most of the time using that one. And this one is tomato also everything. That's all. So I will put it back.
Dito ako sa labas guys, nag-aantay ako ng pedicab kasi pupunta kami sa NCC, malapit lang mga 10 minutes away. Wala kasi sila ate, pumunta kina mama, so wala kaming sasakyan. Pero okay lang naman kasi maraming dumadaan nga na mga sasakyan dito, Grab, taxi, Maxim, or yung pedicab. Marami na nga akong nakita kanina na pedicab dumaan pero di pa kami ready that time, so naghihintay-hintay lang ako. Di ako sa fit din?
We are in auto like in Hyderabad.
Indian auto.
Indian auto. Same auto as Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Right? Suddenly feel like we are in India.
Paboritong stick o. Any other biscuit? Come on. This one maybe. Mini. For Maui. Tita Joy can put in her bag. Okay. Cups for what? For the plants?
Yeah, cups for plants.
Okay. Ryan. What kind of
Like
cup?
this, something like the bigger ones. Yeah, this one. Oh.
Monday.
I want to get this one. You know, outside there are a lot of insects. Flies.
For the insects, okay.
Yeah, like flies and.
Ants also. There is inside the house. Sometimes. Thank you, Ryan. Kuha tayo nito. Chicken longganisa. Masarap ito, guys. Tikman namin ito. Binili ni ate.
Oh, this thing is huge. So
Foot long, 1 foot.
wait. You like sit.
Let's get this one only, okay? Not that big. Thank you. Ryan, come. Where's Dad? Mainit? Mainit in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Si Daddy Ram nandoon guys sa Lads, bumibili ng itlog kasi mas mura doon. Ito na yung napamili namin. So we are just waiting for Daddy and then we'll take auto from here. Kasi marami namang auto dito. Na kami sa bahay guys and nag-order ako ng tubig kanina. 3, pero ang binigay sa amin ay 6. But it's okay. At least may stock kami. We are consuming, oh my god, a lot of water. How many water in a day? 1?
Yeah. Around.
Every 3 days ata akong nag-order. Pag may 3 water bottle stock lang kami. Pero at least ginawa nilang 6. Ang init talaga naman. Okay. I got some chips. This one was there.
That's the cold one.
You need this one now, Daddy, the cups?
Yeah.
You bought again sagu? Is it finished?
And that one finished, small one. So
Oh, this
I
one.
want, yeah.
Keep properly, Daddy, the insect killer.
Baby sticker for Maria.
Nesty. Fresh milk. And ito, longganisa, chicken, and hot dog. Yun lang. Just put it there. Pauwin daw sila ate in a while.
Hey, we're back, vacationers. Shout out.
Welcome back. Where's Maui? Sleeping?
Hello.
Maui Wowie, hello! Welcome back! Our boy! Did you see our banner?
Matabunan sa saan.
Ay, matabunan na sakyanan!
Dili ko sa tubangan disila.
We did not realize that!
What?
Maui Wowie! Looking fresh lagi ka, Brile. Where are you going?
We're going to Saman.
Again?
Maui Wowie, our boy! Hello! Welcome home!
Hello, guys.
Mommy!
So happy.
Welcome home, our
You
boy!
didn't miss me? Huh? It's nice clothes.
We're about to plant.
Busy, immediately busy playing.
Yeah.
Patola, eggplant.
Daddy, the car will cover our poster. We need to move it. Where?
Oh, yeah, pa.
It will get better.
Whoa. Whoa. Ulo. Pakog.
Yeah.
Play with Maui Ryan. Come here.
Should be there in the... Yeah.
Lagi. Sa gate.
Why are you digging in soil?
Putting some soil.
Yeah.
Tea, what is tea, Daddy? Tomato? Eggplant?
Yes.
You really need so many?
Yeah. You want little, we put little only. Because later on
I want to see. I want to learn at the back.
Change namin, guys, kasi pag andito ang sasakyan ay hindi siya makikita. Ito na lang ilalagay, guys, sa maliit na gate para kitang kita. Hindi naman kasi usually namin ginagamit ito. Itong malaking gate ang ginagamit namin pagpasok sa bahay, so okay lang yan siya dyan. Maui! Say thank you, Kuya Ryan, for the mini stick of
So happy. Upload it.
tea time.
long time, right?
Yes, what long time? Yeah, last night only we drink, right? Yes, food. So also yes. With tapioca.
I mean, after we left India yesterday only.
Last night was better, Daddy.
The milk different.
Different
Full cream.
milk?
This fresh milk is full cream.
Yesterday was what?
Full cream.
I have the best, I don't know. For me, it's the best. Best milk for this time.
Full cream? Yeah, I think so.
Alpine.
Alpine.
It's really good. Somewhere here.
Yeah, the value of this is not yet
This one.
Evaporated milk.
Tea.
Magwo-walking kami guys doon sa City Mall. And we have the kids with us. Even Maui. We'll just walk around, okay? Do your own thing.
Yeah.
Maui and I will take our own time. Don't pressure us.
Sure.
Si Ram and si Ryan, almost every day na sila nag-walking. Kami ni Maui, first time naman ito. And Ishi also. Right,
you
Ishi?
also.
First time? And someone is so excited. Is there stalls today?
Wait, today also have, I think, they're on lights.
Oh no, I think it's closed.
No, usually they don't have lights.
Mm.
They're on lights. Today have also starts. That's why have this.
Oh, they're open.
Last 2 days was not open. Today open.
Yeah.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Sit.
Sing hatag sing. Yay! Happy siya! Let's go, Maui! Bye! See you later! Walking kami ni Maui. Kami lang dalawa para slow walk lang. Pag tumigil akong maglakad, gagalit siya. Maui! Maui, Maui! Feel na feel niya talaga. Ganda dito, oh. Ayan. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Hello guys. We are here.
You also come always there. Bye bye, Bobby. See you there.
Bye bye. Behave lang ang ating baby guys. Walang ka-reklamo-reklamo. Ah. Yan ang gusto niya. Out of the house. Lakad-lakad. Lakwatsa. Very helpful itong stroller. Maui, who is that? Where are they? It's dark here.
They're coming in the back.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Baka umiyak to. Gusto kong pumunta kay Ram. Hello. See you later. Update guys sa ating walking. Wala na. Naubos na ang pasensya ng ating bata. At ayan, siya na ang nag-drag sa kanyang stroller. Dog! Dog! Say dog! Go lang. Oh my god, you cheated us, right? See, Shing? Tara mo, Shing?
How many steps? I want to see how many steps you did. Can I go?
We were waiting for you. The guy I saw a few times already.
11,000.
Oh my god.
1,000 more. We'll add later.
We're hungry.
Let's go.
Same here.
Shing, ansay pangalan ani na food, Shing? Arabic food? Nokia? Yeah. Nagluto si atin ng Nokia. Ganyan ang itsura niya. With dry leaf. Hindi ko alam talaga, guys. Sabi ni ate. Yeah. And then, we also have some tilapia here. Gutom na kami. Diyan! Kumain na ata si ate. Wash your hands, guys. So, we can eat. Eat, eat, eat.
Baby boy is already eating.
Yeah. Come on. Ayan. Get some plate. Let's try this Arabic food.
Actually, I know how to make a chair with the Jenga blocks. I made it multiple times already.
That's good. You want to try, Ryan?
I tried already, but okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Not that good, but not that bad also. Medium tier.
Tita G will see this video ba?
Yeah, it's actually like
Not bad. You can say not
yeah,
bad.
not bad, but it's pretty good, I guess.
Why you switching?
I'll switch up.
Mami? Sobrang nakakatuwa guys sa aming FB page na Sana Family Vlogs. Gumawa si Daddy Ram ng video nung nasa private resort kami. Ganito. Breakfast in the Philippines. Tapos si Bryle kumakanta dyan. So parang naiingayan siya sa video, okay? Siguro nakita niyo ito sa YouTube shorts din namin. Pero mas maraming views sa aming FB page. Tignan niyo naman guys, oh. 1.3 million views. And then, kahapon, gumawa kami ng ganito, 1 day versus 1 year in the Philippines. Ito yung ginawa ng dalawa. Siguro nakita din ninyo kasi in-upload ko din siya sa YouTube shorts namin. And ngayon 314k views na siya, o diba? Nakakatuwa lang kasi nag-hit ang aming video sa aming FB page. Si Daddy Ram talaga guys ang mahilig na gumawa ng YouTube shorts, mga Facebook reels, ganun. Which is nakakatuwa kasi ngayon nagbunga na ang kanyang pinaghirapan. May pinoproblema ako guys, diba malapit nang magpasukan. Sabi ko sa inyo may nahanap na kaming school para kay Ryan, which is malapit lang dito sa bahay namin. Ang problema, nung dumating yung document na hinihintay namin galing India, parang hindi pa sapat yun. May hinahanap pa silang ibang document na nire-request ko dun sa school ni Ryan, doon sa India. Pero hindi nila ako nire-replyan, guys. So, ang iniisip ko, papupuntahin ko yung kaibigan ko doon. Tapos, i-check nila kung anong pwedeng gawin para mapadala yung document na yon papunta dito sa India. Ang problema ko is maghahanap ako ng kung sino man ang pwedeng magdala ng document na yon pauwi ng Pilipinas or ipapa-courier namin. Sapat naman siguro ang time na rating yun dito before magpasukan sila Ryan kasi parang July pa ata. July 21. Ngayon, June 4 na. Pero, hopefully guys, yun talaga yung pinoproblema ko ngayon. Kasi gusto ko na talagang ma-enroll si Ryan. Gusto na niyang may kalaro siya. Gusto niyang ma-expose sa ibang bata. So, as much as possible, gusto ko talaga na makapasok siya ng physical school dito sa Pilipinas. Kung hindi magagawa ng paraan, baka mag-online school na lang si Ryan. Pero yun yung last option na guys. Tignan natin, sana talaga mahanapan ko ng solusyon na mapadala dito ang document. Makausap ko yung school dito ni Ryan kung anong pwede namin gawin kung wala pa yung specific na document na yun. Baka bukas or sa susunod na araw, puntahan namin ni Daddy Ram yung school na i-enrollan ni Ryan. Sagu with milk.
Sugar.
Midnight snack made by Daddy.
Ada mom. Ghee.
Why does it taste like, what do you call it? Semia, but
Yeah.
small.
Yeah.
You know, the little ones.
Same with it. Yeah. The smell.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe, like, share. And the bell icon. Bye. See you guys. Peace.